In this video, we're diving into the best apps to earn money with sports predictions. And not just by luck, but by using real data, sharp odds, and tools that actually give you an edge. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smart side hustles that actually work. So if you love watching sports and you've ever thought there has to be a way to make money doing this, you're absolutely right. But only if you're using the right tools, and that's what today's video is all about. Why you're probably losing money and how these apps fix it. Let's be honest here for a second. Most people who try to bet on sports end up losing money. Now, it's not because they're dumb, but because they're treating it like a game of luck instead of a game of math. You hear it all the time. I've got a feeling, or they're overdue for a win, or this is a revenge game. None of that actually matters when it comes to making profitable bets. What does matter is data, odds, line movement, market inefficiencies, real information. That's where these apps come in. They aren't just for placing bets. They help you find the right bets. And some of them even show you bets that are mathematically guaranteed to make money, regardless of who wins. So let's start with a tool that's quickly becoming a favorite for serious bettors. OddsJam, the sports prediction app built for profit. OddsJam is a sports bettor's best friend. It's not a sports book. It doesn't take your bets. It just helps you find the smartest ones to make. So here's the basic idea. OddsJam scans thousands of odds across dozens of sports books in real time. It finds inconsistencies in those odds and highlights bets where the math is actually in your favor. These are called plus EV bets, which stands for positive expected value. So instead of just hoping that a team wins, you're betting when the numbers say that you're getting value. For example, say DraftKings has a line at plus 135 and FanDuel has it at plus 120. OddsJam will highlight that and tell you where the edge is. If you can consistently bet on those edges, your odds of making money go up fast. It also finds arbitrage opportunities, which is where two sportsbooks disagree on odds so much that you can bet both sides and guarantee a small profit no matter who wins. It sounds wild, but these opportunities pop up all the time when you're using OddsJam. The app also has a built-in bet tracker, so you can see how your bets are doing over time, calculate ROI, and adjust your strategy. OddsJam is the top pick here because it's not about guessing. It's about treating betting like a business. If you want to get started with OddsJam, we'll have a link for you down in the description. Just click it to get started. RebelBetting, the veteran value betting app. RebelBetting has been around longer than most of the newer apps on this list, and it's built a solid reputation for helping users find valuable bets and arbitrage opportunities. What's different about RebelBetting is how it walks you through the process. If you're newer to betting or you want a more guided experience, it's a really solid option. You just log in and it shows you a list of bets to place, complete with instructions. It also comes with bankroll management tools, charts showing your win rate and return, and tips for minimizing risk. If you're the type of person who likes structure and clarity, this might be the app for you. The downside, it's a bit pricey compared to others, and it leans more European in terms of sportsbook coverage. But if you're outside the US or just want something steady and proven, RebelBetting is worth looking at. Action Network, tracking plus sharp insights in one app. Action Network is great if you're trying to move from casual betting to more strategic play. It's not as intense as OddsJam or RebelBetting, but it still gives you a serious edge. You can track your bets across different sports books, see where public money is going versus sharp money, get alerts when lines move, and get access to some expert picks and projections if you go pro. One underrated feature, it teaches you a lot about your own betting habits. You can review your history and see what kind of bets you're good at and where you're constantly losing money. It's kind of like the Fitbit for sports bettors. You get to understand yourself better while staying informed on the market. VegasInsider, a trusted resource for sharp picks. Isn't flashy, but it's been around forever and for good reason. It gives you access to picks and predictions from professional handicappers, trends in betting markets, and insight into where sharp bettors are putting their money. This one is more about learning and following the sharp money than doing your own deep analysis. If you want a second option or want to tail sharp bettors while you learn the ropes, it's a good place to start. The premium plans unlock more detailed picks and props, but the free version is useful on its own, especially especially for checking market movement and game previews. BetQL, for data nerds and line trackers. BetQL is all about predictive analytics. Pulls in historical performance, betting trends, injury reports, and other data to give you projections for upcoming games. The app also assigns a value score to each bet, so you can quickly see which bets it likes the most. You can sort games by expected return, confidence level, and other filters that let you tailor things to your strategy. One standout feature is how it tracks sharp versus public money, which is a great signal if you're trying to fade the public or follow the pros. BetQL is one of the more expensive apps on this list, but if you're betting regularly and want to geek out over stats, it might be worth the price. ScoresAndOdds, best for props and parlays. Prop bets and same game parlays are growing fast, especially on platforms like FanDuel and DraftKings, but they're also tricky to get right. ScoresAndOdds helps simplify that. Shows you which props are trending, how often certain bets hit, and gives you a tool called PropCast, which helps you analyze player prop data in real time. So if you like betting on individual player stats or building wild parlays for big payouts, this app makes that process much easier and smarter. It even integrates with sportsbooks, so you can build and place your bet in a few clicks. And it doesn't feel overwhelming, just clean and helpful. BettingPros, organized, easy, and smart. BettingPros is all about streamlining your process. If you've got multiple sportsbook accounts, it's a hassle to track everything. This app pulls your bets together into one dashboard, tracks performance across platforms, and gives you trend insights based on your history. It's like a betting journal plus analytics tool, and it's great for staying consistent and spotting patterns in your own behavior. So if you like to stay organized and treat your betting like a system, this one's worth adding to your stack. Bonus Fliff, for legal, risk-free sim betting. If you live in a state where sports betting isn't legal yet, or you just want to practice without putting real money on the line, check out Fliff. It's a free-to-play sportsbook app that uses its own virtual currency, Fliff Coins, and lets you simulate bets across all the major sports. There's no risk, and it's a great way to learn how odds work, test strategies, and build confidence. Some users even earn Fliff Cash, which can be withdrawn like real money depending on promotions and your activity. It's not a guaranteed moneymaker, but it's a fun, low-stakes place to practice. So which app should you use? Well, if you're serious about turning sports predictions into profit, the best place to start is OddsJam. Gives you the most control, the best edge, and the highest potential ROI when used correctly. Now, that said, RebelBetting, BetQL, and ScoresAndOdds all bring something different to the table depending on your goals, style, and risk tolerance. So here's the takeaway. Stop betting blind and start betting smart. These tools don't guarantee wins, but they put the odds in your favor. And over time, that's what separates the people who make money from the ones who just make bets. So if you want to get started with OddsJam or any other products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.